Here we are at Mcdowell Nature Preserve. About to do the full 4.1 mile loop. Should take about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Come along with me. Here we are at the halfway point of the Mcdowell Nature Preserve, the 4.1 mile loop. I'm at about 38 minutes. So I'll definitely beat 2 hours, but hopefully I can beat 38 minutes on the way back. Let's go. The second part of this loop's pretty steep. Definitely don't want to do this in tennis shoes in the fall and winter time. The falling leaves are basically like ice out here. Slip and fall down the damn hill there. I wonder if that's a bat box. The bat boxes I've seen were skinnier, so that might be more for a bird. Let me know in the comments if you know what that is. For the most part, these trails haven't been too worn down. This is probably the worst. I wouldn't even call this bad though. But there's a parking lot just at the top of that hill there. So people probably start here and they see that first or second parking lot and they're like, ooh, quick and easy access. Jump right on the trail and go, you know. And from here, we're going around. And that way is the water. Lake Wiley. So easy, I wouldn't say easy walk, but easy access to a nice walk to the lake instead of just starting at the water like I did. Trail's that way, but I'm gonna take a quick detour. Show you all the lake. Just got done. I think I finished with 4.42 miles and an hour and 21 minutes and I think 36 seconds. I went a little further because I didn't want to cut it short, so I went a little further and made sure I did the full loop. Beautiful lake to finish it off with. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If not, that's okay. I probably wouldn't subscribe either. Oh, look at that duck. Let's see if we can get it. Did I miss it? I may have missed it. You'll see some ducks in the video, though. I'm sure you saw that. But until the next one, I got some big things coming next year. Hopefully, I'll be going out west, doing a really cool hike, camping for 2 weeks, going across the country. So hopefully y'all join me for that. And I guess until next hike, keep the trails clean and be careful out there. I'll see you on the next one.